Hi guys, I'm Yang from Chinese 3D. In this video, I will show you the rapid scan for EinScan HX2, and we will scan this shoe using the Texture Mapper Lite to map the texture. Choose rapid scan, texture scan, and use texture to align and select minimum detail. Then we can start scanning. Press the scan button to start preview to check the brightness, and press again to scan. During scanning, you can turn off the texture to see whether there are some big holes on the object. Make sure that there are not many big holes. Then we can generate a point cloud and then mesh the file. When the mesh process is done, we can click the Texture Map button here. Then the Texture Mapper Lite software will run automatically. Project and object file will load itself, no need to import. And then we can import the pictures from this shoe. By the way, we just use SLR camera to take pictures, and we should keep the same exposure, focal length, and the angle of the camera. Try to take pictures from as many perspectives to help the software map, and the numbers of the picture should be between 3 to 400. After importing all the pictures, we can press auto mapping to start, and we can see the result.